midway through our project here. We're going to give you a little walkthrough of where we are. Just to give you a reminder on the numbers, we purchased this property for $360,000. It's about $60,000 in hard cost, which includes realtor commissions to sell, holding costs, closing costs, etc. We're going to put $100,000 into the house, $20,000 into the septic system, and we're going to sell this property for $600,000 or higher and make a profit of about $50,000. Let's take you in and show you some of the things we've done so far. Come on. All right, come on up here. Okay, so we'll start with the kitchen. Kitchen obviously is the main feature of the house. So the kitchen is gone. We've already have our rough electric, as you can see. We have our rough plumbing getting signed off today at 2:00 p.m. He's got the pressure thing. And we actually have our cutout here. So we did a nice cutout to kind of open up the kitchen with the living room. Everyone likes open space. And rather than doing the beam we originally were going to do, we did a nice cutout here, and it's going to work really, really nice with the countertop we're going to have here. Now let's take you to the bathrooms. As you can see, so this bathroom we were originally going to spray, but the tile that we had in here was a textured tile that we couldn't match up. So what we did was we totally gutted the bathroom, and we're going to, as soon as the sign off is all set, we're going to go with a shower insert and just a new tile floor, new sink, new toilet, same location, and this is how this bathroom is going to be. Get down here. Typical ranch style, you have your 3 bedrooms off here, and then you have a little half bath in here as well. So as you can see in this bathroom, and I'll show you, we have some tile left, and it's about $700 to spray that tile, and the contractor has agreed to, instead of spraying the tile, he'll remove it and take that $700 and give us new walls, new floor, and he's going to work with us. So we'll get a nice new bath here for the same cost it was going to cost us to spray the tile. So very nice general contractor we have here. Before we go up, we have our 2 rooms here. We've removed the flooring, and we're going to do some nice hardwood flooring in here. I call this the living room, and then you have the entertainment room where you want to get raw. So very big house here. This is our main bedroom up here. We have the design drawings to do a beam to help with the crack here, to fix the structure issue that we have here that we uncovered. This is something that we uncovered after we purchased the property. We're able to fit it into our budget numbers, which is why we're going carpet up here. So we're going to have carpet in all the bedrooms up here and hardwood in the hallway. We have 2 more bedrooms here. Then we have one also next to you there. So you have a total of 6 bedrooms. So you could fit 2 families in here if you wanted to. Then you have your bathroom upstairs. And as you can see, we're going to keep this countertop. We're going to get the jacuzzi working. It's already been plumbed and it's ready for inspection. We have a stand-up shower here that we're going to clean. And we're going to make sure, we're just making sure everything's vented right. So some of the changes that we find is that the venting wasn't correct on here. And also, we'll show you downstairs, one of our main stacks wasn't the right size. So a little bit of a change on the plumbing. This will be our dining room area, huge dining room area. Repurposed this fixture. One of the challenges that we had was this pipe here was only 3 inches and it needed to be 4 inches per the town plumbing inspector. So to meet his requests, We've made it 4 inches. We had to make some holes in walls to get that in here. But you can see it's in. It's connected to the main drain. And it's ready to go. It's ready for inspection. We have our lines for our kitchen. We're going to put back a kitchen down here with some cabinets so someone can store some food down here. And we have our electrical panel. We have another electrical panel. So down here is basically going to be carpet flooring. Carpet flooring in here too. And you have another bedroom here if you didn't need another bedroom. So we're currently about 9 weeks into our timeline, and we should be done in about another 9 weeks.